Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning where we've got departing clouds off to the east. There are already clouds moving in from the northwest that are actually thicker right here than what Futurecast is showing. So we're going to see clouds thicken up from the northwest as the day goes on. Winds becoming breezy out of the west and southwest. A warm front's going to push east. By noon, it should be here in eastern Nebraska, kind of right in this area here. And then there's a cold front right behind it to the northwest, so attached to a low, which is going to be right under the banner here. Behind that front, some light snow changing to rain in northwest Nebraska. As it pushes southeast today, it should change over to rain. So sprinkles and light rain are going to be possible this afternoon, and once that moves in, your temperature may actually drop off a bit. Winds will get a little bit brisk out of the northwest later on today. Tonight, those showers and sprinkles are going to clear on out. We'll clear up the skies for much of the night for much of the area. The winds will remain breezy overnight tonight, which actually keeps temperatures elevated even though a cold front has passed through. By tomorrow morning, that front's well to our south, although it will actually be stalled out right in here. It goes from here and then it goes down to the south. That front's going to hang out here tomorrow, so we're going to see some clouds sticking around on your Tuesday. Winds dying down as the day goes on. So here's the front right here still, and then it's going to push east as a warm front. Tuesday night. You can see the clouds moving along with it. And so those will move on out of here Wednesday morning, and we're going to get some mild weather that's going to return by the middle of the week. Now, temperatures today, upper 40s, low 50s, right in here, including the Tri-Cities. These temperatures may drop later this afternoon as that cooler air comes in, that rain chance moves in. Mid and upper 50s in southwest Nebraska, which those should also drop off this afternoon once that rain chance moves in. Tonight, we're down into the 20s to lower 30s for overnight lows. Tomorrow's temperatures, cooler for most of us, at least on the east side of that front, in the 40s for highs, which this is still near or above average for pretty much everybody. But then out west, warmer temperatures in the 50s here. You can kind of see the front right here. 40s east of it, 50s west of it. That front's going to push east, so Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, upper 20s, low 30s, that's not bad. And then look at Wednesday. Upper 50s and 60s for highs. We're looking good on Wednesday, and we're going to repeat that on Thursday. In fact, Thursday, southwest Nebraska could get close to 70 degrees. So we're going to shoot for low 60s on Wednesday, low and mid 60s on Thursday. Enjoy it. Thursday, a couple of days. Hanukkah begins on Thursday, and that's also Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day on Thursday. Friday, we start to cool down. It's going to be a little breezy as well. And then Friday night, we could see some moisture. That's still kind of a big question mark. Friday night into Saturday, will we see it or not? If we do, we're probably going to be colder, and I think we will have a chance of not only rain but snow. But right now, most models are keeping the bulk of the precipitation well to our south. Could be a little on the windy side on Saturday. Temperature-wise, we should stay in the 40s on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. It should be a pretty quiet Sunday, and it looks like temperatures will kind of level off in the 40s as we get into early next week here, so no major warm-ups, although as we get towards this time frame right here of the 11th, it will go through all the way to the 13th and beyond, all the way to the 17th. The Climate Prediction Center is keeping us above average. And you notice those temperatures are mostly, and I'll go back to that graphic real quick, those temperatures next week are near or a little bit above average. Even though, yes, it's only 40s, that's still a little bit above average for this time of the year and beyond. We may stay a little bit above average. So that's why the Climate Prediction Center has us in that above to well above average area right in there. Moisture chances are probably near to below average, I'm guessing, as we get in the long range, the 2 week out forecast right now. Let's take a look at the European model. A little bit of light rain today, sprinkles, light rain. And then not much happening moisture-wise until the end of the week, Friday night into Saturday. Here comes the cold front on Friday, increasing clouds. Then there comes that moisture. Notice how most of it will stay to our south. Western Nebraska and then down to our south. So that's why I only have a small chance of moisture for Friday night into Saturday. And then beyond that, not a lot going on. Maybe more moisture in the middle of next week. We'll see. Nothing significant showing up in the long-term models. The GFS model, on the other hand, is different. So here's the rain today, right there. Quiet weather, then not much moisture until Friday night into Saturday. And here it is right there. And this is why I'm not completely sure if we're going to get a lot of moisture or not heading into the weekend. There could be a little bit of accumulating snow, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that Friday night into Saturday morning. After that, it's mostly minimal chances, and we should stay somewhat mild for this time of the year. Here, let's check out that long-range temperature forecast. Again, cooling down today and tomorrow, but then warming up Wednesday, Thursday, and then here comes the late week cool down Friday into the weekend, and then maybe getting a little bit better next week. And maybe even beyond. And that's why that long-range Climate Prediction Center outlook had us in that above average weather. As we get beyond our 10-day forecast, we may actually get milder weather that returns in the long term as we get towards the 14th, 15th, 16th of the month. So that could be nice to see. So, all right, with that, I'm going to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I hope it's a good day for you. I hope it's a good start to the work week, and I will see you all again on Tuesday. Talk to you all later. God bless.